What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. We're looking at Bepro today. Thank you guys for your patience. I had COVID over these last 2 weeks, nasty thing. Thank God it's gone. But yeah, back to usual. Of course, I'll try and do a Bepro video every week. And if you enjoy these videos, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe and comment. So on the weekly time frame, guys, it's actually beautiful because if you remember, I don't know if a lot of you were here, but when we were over here, I told you guys that the lowest I think that we would go is this low, and look at that. I told you as soon as we lost this, we're going down here. Of course, there were levels above like this and this where we could have stopped at, so I was giving these levels. So once we lost this, I said guaranteed going down to here. In 2 weeks, boom, down there instantly. Then I said if we are losing this, what I would expect is a bounce from here, obviously to retest the EMAs, but you didn't get to the EMAs. So I did warn if we ever lose this level, we're coming to this level, and if we're losing this, down to here. And that's all happened now. We've bottomed out here. If we go to the daily time frame, I gave a little trade from, here we go. So we had this double bottom, if you remember, and when we broke out on the 27th of March, we could have, you could have longed until, oh gosh, the numbers on Bepro are so crap, 0.0046. And then we broke above an even larger double bottom over here, which I gave. And you can see we met the valid technical target for that. So if you're part of the channel, amazing. And you took those trades, absolutely amazing. One thing though is you failed to actually hold above that low where we had this massive M pattern, okay, that we validated. So we've now validated a double bottom. And you broke out, you met your valid technical target out of the double bottom. And one thing that is so amazing to see, guys, is with this area that you're struggling with from January, February, and even a massive wick in March, the end of March before the breakout, this was a key resistance. So it's so important when you make this new higher high over here, you fall back to the previous high and you hold it as support. And I love this formation, guys, much better than a lot of the charts at the moment. You can see you almost met that 1618 target, so close. But yeah, that's the target you'd be waiting for. If you want to front run the market, you can take profits a bit before, but you can see how it's played out. Amazing. So all you need to do now is find support above the 618, which is so low down. You could drop even lower. Let's say that you've come down and you've put some really irregular bear flag and you go down one more time. You could come down as low as this green line back down here. You could come as low as that double bottom neckline. And we're holding the larger one way up here. So this is amazing because actually, technically, you could fall all the way down to here, all the way down to here, and technically still be bullish. Now, I know you would be under those EMAs. That's negative. But you're still holding the structure, and it's all about the structure. And hopefully, if you did come back down to there, I know you would have formed a bearish cross, but hopefully you can just reclaim that. And this move to the downside here could become a fake out. And remember, the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip after. So if this is the bottom now, I'll quickly show you. That is not COVID, guys, though. But bloody hell. Let me have some water, guys, sorry. I've just been recording so many videos non-stop, so I haven't been able to breathe. But yeah, the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip. The saying that I made. So funny. But if this is the low now, you've got a 1618 target at 1.2 cents. But if we had, you know, bigger dip, the bigger the rip. If we came down all the way to that neckline down there, you can see your target has actually gone higher. And instead of it being 1.2 cent, it's now 1.5 cent. So that would be amazing going forward if we actually dip a little bit more. Of course, we don't want that. No one wants to dip. But that's just the reality. The bigger the dip, the bigger the rip. A bear market is what takes you to the bull market high. A bull market high is what takes you to a bear market low. Thank you guys for watching today. Please like, please subscribe. We're doing everything we need to do. We're holding the EMAs. We're holding the bullish cross. One of the only coins doing it. So it could Bepro be front running the market. Let's see, guys. It's so vital to hold this. We know even if we do lose it, must stay above that. Technically, you can come low as these lows, but for me personally, if you are coming back down to these lows, I would expect that you would lose those lows. We don't want to come back down and test these lows. If you're trying to test it, it means you're trying to break it. And so what we actually have to say just before we go, sorry guys, from the swing low now to the swing high, you can see, again, you can come down as low as the 0618. Remember, we didn't use the fibs to know that. We just used the levels, the market. We just used our brains, basically, but the experience of knowing, yeah, once you lose that, you're coming to the previous one. So the same thing. We're holding the We've had this impulse. We're trying to retrace all the way back down to the 1 fib level. What stops you from doing that level right there, the 618, which is also the double bottoms neckline? And of course, if we're losing that and we're losing the 1 fib level, then we're going to do these nasty targets to the downside. But I'm not seeing that for the moment. We're holding key levels of support, major key levels of support. And yeah, as long as they hold, we should get bullish continuation and higher highs, higher than that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. And if you're interested in me helping you get to the next level in your trading, making you into a self-sufficient trader, then listen to the crypto packages at the end of this video. If you're interested, the link to my Twitter is in the description down below, and just go to the pinned post and comment down there so I can message you. Thank you guys, I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.